How to borrow money for your down payment to purchase real estate. Real estate can be a great way to make money. Sometimes, you may want to invest in real estate without having any money for a down payment. In this video, we discuss how to borrow money for a down payment to purchase real estate. Before we begin, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below letting me know that you subscribed. Your help is greatly appreciated. First, consider borrowing the money from relatives or friends. Borrowing money from relatives and friends is another alternative if you have very little money to make a real estate investment. Make sure to draft a formal promissory note that includes an interest rate, payment due dates, and the lender's ownership stake over the property, if any. These lenders may be prepared to give you more money for future projects if you repay the loan on time and with interest. You should consider if your lender's connection with you would be jeopardized if you were unable to pay back the loan. Consider whether obtaining real estate is worth jeopardizing your connection with a loved one. Second, utilize a home equity loan. Find a bank that will lend you money for a down payment on top of your mortgage for the home. This might be in the form of another mortgage or a credit line secured by your house. Look for the lowest interest rate that will give you the opportunity to acquire the home affordably while yet allowing you to benefit from it afterwards through a later profit. You must ensure that you can repay this loan or you could risk losing your house. To qualify for this sort of loan, you will need a credit score in the upper 600s. Third, look into using a microlender. Micro-lending services on the internet, also known as peer-to-peer lending, assist borrowers in finding lenders for smaller loans, often under $35,000. To avoid confusion later, do your research for these sites and become familiar with all of the laws and restrictions. Kiva, Prosper, and Lending Club are some of the most popular micro-lending websites. To recap, if you are considering borrowing money for a down payment on real estate, you should consider the following. 1. Borrowing money from relatives or friends. 2. Utilizing a home equity loan. And 3. Look into using a microlender.